everybody. How's everybody doing today? I hope y'all are having a great day today with God on your side. First thing I wanted to step in and say is happy late Mother's Day. I didn't get a chance to say happy Mother's Day to all of the women out there in the world, to all of the fathers that play in the mother, play the mother role. Happy, happy, happy Mother's Day to you all. I love y'all from the bottom of my heart. Thank you all for supporting my channel. Thank you all for loving me. Thank you for all of the amazing messages that you send me all. Thank you for all of the emails. Now, please keep in mind that I'm only one person, and there's absolutely no way that I can get to every message. I have over 1,500 recipes, over 1,500 videos out there. And just think, every video is always being played. And with every video that is being played and watched, you guys message me under those videos. And sometimes I just can't message you back. But I tried my heart, and I wanted to step in and just say, thank you and I love you. Thank you and I love you. And I do see the requests for meals that you all are requesting. And when I see that, I do put it in a to-do list. Now, just let me say that to-do list may be long sometimes, and I will eventually get to what you are requesting. Now, let's talk about something real quickly. If you didn't know, Gina Young has another channel. Absolutely, I do. Healthy Recipes with Gina. And over there on that channel, I'm cooking all healthy. Everything healthy, diabetic friendly. Absolutely. Yes, keto friendly. Okay, foods that are not going to make you feel heavy and weight down. Okay, recipes that you're going to feel good about eating. The world thinks that eating healthy means no flavor. That's not true. And over there on that channel, I'm proving to you all that healthy food can and will be delicious when you make a Gina Young style. We're having a lot of fun over there, y'all. So go over and check it out, Healthy Recipes with Gina. And also, I have been putting up short form videos. It's just like a minute-long video. And in those videos, I may be talking about something. Heck, I may be doing a quick recipe for you all, compacting it all into 1 minute. And also, you might see me dancing over there. It's a lot of fun. Everybody's really been enjoying the short form videos. So if you have not seen it, or you don't know how to go to it, what you can do is when you look on your device, whether it's your iPad or your phone, you will see my banner at the top, in the kitchen with Gina Young. Excuse me. And then you'll see like my playlist. And the playlist consists of everything that I've ever made on my channel. All 1,500 plus videos in different categories. So if you're looking for a big old nice pot of greens, how to make cabbage, how to make asparagus, you're going to go to the vegetable playlist. Absolutely. If you're looking for how to make a pot roast, you're looking for how to make a juicy steak, medium well, right? Or you're looking for how to make, let's just say, a juicy turkey. You're going to go to the meat playlist. Absolutely. I got soups and stews. There's a playlist for Chinese food, for Mexican, for Puerto Rican, for Haitian food. It is, okay? And it's so much fun. It's going to keep you busy. Oh, it's going to keep you busy. So if you don't know how to explore those things, look right under my banner. You're going to see all that stuff. You're going to see the store where you can purchase Gina Young merchandise. Absolutely. Explore those things. Check it out and have a fun time doing it. Okay, so like I said, I've really been having so much fun doing the short form videos and then going back, looking at the comments and watching you guys laugh at me when I get on there dancing. And I'm like, I know, it's fun. It's fun. I'm actually working on another one right now as we speak. Yesterday was Mother's Day, and I had a beautiful Mother's Day. Thank you all who has personally emailed me or messaged me just saying Happy Mother's Day. I love y'all. I appreciate that. That really means so much to me. Yo, listen, me and my husband stayed outside last night until it had to be like 3:45 in the morning. We enjoyed ourselves. It was a little cool out. It was a little cool, so we had blankets around us. And we was sitting back there on the patio, and we was just really enjoying all the noises, hearing, I don't know what, hearing all kinds of animals. And, you definitely could hear the frogs, but some of those noises get kind of scary at night, especially when you can't see nothing. But we had such a great time, y'all. We turned on the music, and we just sat back and relaxed. And then we overslept. Y'all, we overslept. My goodness. We overslept. Dakota missed the bus. Oh, Lord. So once we got up, Dakota was up and ready for school. My husband took him to school. But Mother's Day was absolutely amazing. I hope y'all had a great day as well. Let's talk about what we're going to do today. Today is Monday, May 15th, and at 5 p.m. today, Gina Young's going live. Absolutely, I am. I'm going live. I'm going to be making breakfast. The world loves breakfast, and I know you do too, right? So here's the thing. If you want to cook live with me today, absolutely you can. Now, you can cook what I'm cooking, or you can cook what you want to cook, You might be the person that says, ooh, Gina, breakfast does sound good. I'm going to make some steak and eggs, right? And the next person might say, you know what, Gina, I really want some waffles and some fried ham. Okay, so what I'm going to be making, I'm going to make fried potatoes with onions and bell peppers, right? I'm going to make some sausage and some bacon, some cheesy eggs, and some toast. And that's it. So I've already posted a community post this morning. In the community post, I spoke of what we're going to be cooking. I put all the ingredients so you can run out and grab your ingredients, and at 5 p.m. we can get together and cook together and have a fun time. Okay, so it's going to be a lot of fun. After we cook, I say an amazing prayer, we eat together, and then we chit-chat for a while. And I also wanted to step in just one more time and tell you all that I apologize for Saturday. Last Saturday, I was supposed to go live, but the weather was acting funky, and it was storming, it was raining, the internet was acting up. I just had to cancel it, like literally at the last minute. But I said, you know what I'm going to do? Although I had to cancel, I'm coming in today. We're going live. We're going to have a fun time. Okay, so I can't wait to see you all there. I cannot wait to see you all there. Tell your family and friends and everybody, Gina Young's going live today. 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm sorry, I keep moving the tripod. Normally, I have this tripod setting on something where it's not moving, but right now it's sitting on my mattress. So every time I talk, it's just a moving. So early this morning, well, not early this morning, I'd like to say about, my appointment was at 11:45. I had to be at the dentist because I had to pick up my retainer. And I know I have explained to you all that I've had braces. The braces are off now. And I do have a retainer bonded to the back of my teeth. To the back of the top row, to the back of the bottom row. And that helps for your teeth to not shift. I've heard so many stories, horror stories, of people saying, yeah, I had braces, but I got braces again. Ain't no way. Ain't no way I'm going to pay all that money to have braces. Right? To have braces and my teeth shift. Oh, we can't do that. No. So I told them, give me a retainer on the back. And it holds your teeth in place so they don't shift. And you won't have that issue. And then I also told them, give me this retainer too. It's funny because it looks like it's flimsy, but it's not. It's hard as a rock, and you pop that baby in there at night, and it makes your teeth feel so nice and tight and secure, and it helps to keep your teeth from shifting. So what they do in the beginning is they take a mold of your teeth, and this is the mold of my teeth. That's my exact mouth. Whoops, that's my exact mouth. And then they go from there and do anything else that they need to do. which is really, really interesting. So here's my new one, because my bar broke back here. They replaced it 2 weeks ago. And so then they had to rescan my mouth and make a new one of these. But if you take a look here, you may see 1, 2, 3, like 4 little bumps back there. What that is that's the actual retainer back there holding my teeth so that they don't shift. And then it's the same thing for like the first 5 teeth up here, same thing. So I'm excited. I'm excited to try this tonight and see if I wake up, because sometimes you can wake up and your teeth hurt just a little bit. But I'm excited to see what's going to happen with this new one here. I'm going to get off of here. My Instacart is at the front door, and it's my stuff so we can go live at 5 today. I love y'all from the bottom of my heart. Once again, happy Mother's Day. I love y'all. I'll see you this evening. Good night.